We're going to be checking solutions to systems. On the previous page, we checked solutions to both equations and to graphs. So now we're going to be checking solutions to systems. A system of equation is two, okay? In Algebra 1, we just work with two equations, but really, it could be more. And in upper level math, you'll see systems with more than two or more equations. And a solution to a system must be a solution to both equations. Now, in upper level math, it's all, right? All the equations, but in this year, it's just going to be both of the equations. Okay, so I'm looking for, if I'm looking at this point, I want it to be a solution to both of these equations in order for it to be a solution to this system of equations. Okay, so there's an x and a y, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the process that I did on the previous page and do it twice. So I'm going to plug in this y, right? I'm going to use this equation first over here, and I'm plugging in my x and my y. So my y is -5 equals 3 times 3 minus 14. Okay, I'm doing my math. 3 times 3 is 9. Just bring this down. 9 minus 14 is -5. I get -5 equals -5. So that's a yes. This point is a solution to this first equation. Let's see if it's also a solution to this second equation, because it has to be a solution to both equations in order for it to be a solution to the system. So I'm going to do -3 times x minus 3, sorry, -2 times x minus 3 times y equals 9. -2 times 3 is -6. -3 times -5. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 5 is 15 equals 9. -6 plus 15, that's the same as 15 minus 6, which is 9. I get 9 equals 9, which is true. So this point does fit and is a solution to both of these equations, and therefore the answer is yes. This point is a solution to this system. Let's try this one. I have 6 times, right, this is my x and y, 6 times x plus 4 times y equals 15. 6 times -5 is -30 plus 16. -30 plus 16 is -14. -14 does not equal 15. Okay, so right away, I already know this is going to be a no. Let's just take a quick look at this other equation. The other equation is y equals 4. Now notice, this one doesn't even have an x in it. It only has a y in it. That's okay. If I were to plug in my y, I would get 4 equals 4, and this is true. So had this one been a yes, and this one was a yes, I would have had a yes. But since this point is only a solution to this second equation and not to this first equation, it is not a solution to the system. Because remember, in order for it to be a solution to the system, it must be a solution to both of the equations.